hello, welcome to Nature Time with Carrie. I am Carrie and I am off to beautiful Binna Burra today in my VW Transporter, packed with lots of stuff. I like to glamp comfortably. It's apparently feeling like 5 degrees up on the mountain, so I've got lots of layers. Come along with me for the ride. If you know Yadala pies, you know Yadala pies. So this is my non-guilty pleasure on the way to Binna Burra. I generally stop here for a wee, which you probably didn't need to know, and I also pick up my favourite, which is a jam and cream, a donut and a sausage roll. So off we go. Okay, I have to show you this. Oh my god, it's like the best jam and cream donut ever. Like, so good. Oh. Okay, let's get cracking. So, had my little pit stop. Now I'm about to drive around one of the craziest roundabouts. Now, a couple of reasons why I really love the van is that I can just throw everything in it. I'm comfortable. At night time, I can lock myself up in the van so that I feel safe. Now, at Binna Burra, I feel really, really safe. I love it up there. I've actually been going there since I was 8. So, my first big ever family hike, Shipstern Circuit, when I was 8, which is 19 kilometers. 19 or 21, something long. My first ever bushwee experience too, so I actually like squatted on a massive prickle and got prickles in my ass. So hence for a very long time I was not keen to do bushwees. Thankfully that has changed now. A little bit happy right now at Binna Burra. They have my most favourite Witches Falls Rosé. I stopped into the Canungra Liquor Legends. I can't even get my words out. I have not been drinking this bottle, I swear. And they have it. Campfire, beautiful rosé. Oh. To share with you the different options for staying here at Binna Burra. So behind me you have got Groom's Cottage. There are bunk rooms in there. I think you can sleep 6 to a bunk room. There are also safari tents of all different sizes. There are rainforest campsites. There are vehicle campsites. There's the tiny wild houses. There's also the beautiful sky lodges, and they're currently building the new lodge at the moment after the very unfortunate incident of 2019, I think it was. Here's one of these before. Am I doing it right? Sure. Easier by notches. Come on. That's the lighting. way too wet. Cute. I'm here at beautiful Binna Burra. It is rainy, it is cold. I'm all snuggled up in my blankets, just looking out at the rainforest, hearing the rain on the roof. Happy chappy. Always have a Binna. You wet from last night? Oh. Things so wet here. Everything is so wet. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Oh my god, that just broke. I really need a blowtorch.